Is that a gopher? It's like a gopher. He's mining stuff. And so I moved some stuff from CoinX to Bydfi. A few reasons, and I want to share these reasons with you here. Maybe it's a good choice for you. Maybe you're looking for a platform to trade on. I don't know. That's why I'm making this video, to see if it's useful to you. Now, the interface looks good. It reminds me of Bybit. They have a lot of similar features. The way that they have this floating dock right here, quick orders. Depending how you like to trade, if you like to trade on desktop, you can set up your order books and put in your orders this way here. Or if you like to use mobile, they got a really good mobile app because that's really user friendly. You can adjust the charts, the buttons are big, everything's clear to see, and it works pretty well on a mobile app actually. So here's a look at the mobile app. It's really nice. Everything's big. I have this widescreen fold out phone or whatever, but the screen is huge. The buttons are easy for user interface, and it's got some news segments and stuff. And one of the best features about it that I've seen so far is the sub wallet. So what that means is you can add a sub wallet to have basically multiple trades. You could have one account at 10x and the other one at 100x and not get wiped out, depending on what your settings are for cross or isolated. So again, these are advanced features for leverage traders, scalpers, stuff like that. But I haven't seen this on other apps, and that's what's really interesting about it. You go over here, add a sub wallet, and then you can protect yourself from getting liquidated by having multiple wallets. And there's also training information tutorials right here that show you how to set this up. Again, it's an advanced technique for advanced traders and scalpers, but I haven't seen this in any other mobile devices just yet. So this is pretty sick. So with that out of the way, it's a new trading app that has a bunch of coins. It doesn't have as much as MEXC or Gate.io or other platforms, but it has good ones. It has ones that you're interested in, the ones that you need based on categories. So if you go to market section, you could just categorize and see, okay, what type of trading do they offer? Leverage tokens, 3x leverage on these tokens here. They have perpetual futures listings here, spot, and then you can make your favorites list. And then the other thing I like about it is you can segment them by real world asset, metaverse, Web3, meme, and these are categorized for you to find them easily. So like I said, they don't have a ton of tokens here, but they do have hot ones, new ones, and ones that you want to trade. As far as the trading section goes, the reason I'm moving a lot of this stuff over, aside from the IP restrictions, regulations, even though I do use MEXC, I'm using this platform because CoinM right here. They have CoinM with XRP. And for me, this is what I want to do. If you're not familiar with what CoinM is, you should look into this, meaning it's trading with the token. So when I make a trade that's profitable, I get back that token, not just stablecoin. And therefore, if I'm able to make profitable trades, I can compound that token. I like XRP, so for me, this is one of the reasons why I'm using this, because MEXC and other platforms don't have this. I want to be able to trade in that token and get that token back, thereby compounding that asset. When you first join up, they do have rewards if you want to KYC. However, at the moment, it's not required to use the platform. Not sure what will happen in the future, and this varies based on your location, IP, and things like that. So when you sign up, you get bonuses, and then they have these little, let's see, what do you call them, rewards or whatnot for a couple bucks here and there if you do these type of things. Like you set up a 2FA, you'll get a couple bucks. You enter this code to verify your account through anti-spam or anti-phishing, you'll get a couple bucks. You join them on social media, you get a couple bucks. You see where I'm going with this. And then this one right here, you send them feedback. They say they will send you between $5,000 and $5,000 based on their feedback. So that one might be interesting too. And that's on the welcome section. Affiliation, this one has partnerships where if you're an influencer, you can leverage the traffic that you're sending to this platform. And also maybe if people are trading, you might be able to get commission from the people that trade on the platform here. You can invite your friends and earn a couple bucks here. And lastly, another section that they have here is demo trading. So if you want to learn how to trade, they have paper trading. So you can get better at trading by mock trading. So basically, imagine you had an account with $50,000 here and try to trade it, see what would happen. And it allows you to take trades by entering these prices here and try to learn how to leverage trade or scalp trade using fake money, basically, and see how you do before you actually start trading with real money. Now, some platforms have this and some don't, and it's really hard to see where it is. So this one, obviously they have a section specific for it right here, and then you can go back to live trading right here. So this I think is really useful. Haven't seen that on a lot of other platforms. And finally, the other reason why I like this platform, I would recommend it, is bot trading. Now, KuCoin has this, Bybit has this. There's some other exchanges that do have it that work exceptionally well. However, with KYC restrictions, things like that, it's almost impossible to trade with at the moment. So what I like about this is you got trading bots. You can basically allocate some capital here and let the robots do the work. You can use grid trading, spot trading, and martingale. These are different ways to trade. And then you can also do basically copy trading. So if you find a coin that you like and a strategy that works for you, you can copy trade that one. And basically these are just grids here. So depending how much you know about these type of things, could be a good solution. I like it. I've done it before. It works somewhat well. And if that's the type of thing for you, check it out. They got some tutorials right here on how to get started, how it works, and why it might work for you. That's pretty much it. I want to keep this video short and simple here. You get the idea. And if you like this content and you want to know more about investing and crypto and finance and how to get started, things like this, feel free to follow the channel. Leave a comment in the description if you have any topics for videos that you'd like me to cover. And as always, use a VPN. Use the link in the description here for Proton VPN. They have encrypted email and VPNs that work exceptionally well. You probably won't need to use a VPN on the Bydfi to circumvent any KYC or anything like that, but it's not a bad idea. You could do it, and it definitely would help your security and privacy online. And here it is. That's a floating dock for the Proton VPN that I have. It allows you to set up presets, and it works really, really well. And you can jump through a bunch of different countries wherever you're located. And specifically, depending on what you're trying to do online, port forwarding, privacy, casual browsing, Tor browser, stuff like that, really secure. You can adjust all these settings. So it works better than most of the VPNs that have a one-click button type of configuration, and I highly recommend it. So check out the link in the description below for Proton VPN and also encrypted email. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now, depending on where you're seeing this video, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Rumble, and a couple other platforms. Depending on where you're seeing it, please at least do me a solid and hit the like button or follow or subscribe or something to let me know that you're interested in these type of videos and I can make more. I do support the channel by having affiliate links. So I have a grass referral code that you can use to farm grass tokens for free. I have a Proton email and VPN link right here, and also a link tree where you can see what other stuff I'm doing online, which will lead you to a trading group that I'm in, the Swing Trade Pros trading group. I've been in here for years, and if you're learning how to trade and you want to learn more techniques and how to be profitable, you can join this group. It is a paid group, but again, on my channel, I only share stuff that I use personally. I'm not a hype boy. I don't tell you what coins to buy. I at least try to teach you and inform you about ways that you can do it for yourself, because then you're going to be better off in the long run. So with all that out of the way, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. And then for further proof that I actually used the app and was making trades whilst recording this video, here's a list of my P&L profit cards here to show you that it does work. I like the app. I'm going to continue to use it because of the Coin M feature, and I hope you can benefit from it as well.